Yes, ladies and gentlemen, today welcome back to Mal TV. Today in the studio with you today we have Big Nasty in the studio, one of the Aringa music hip hop rapper. We have him today in the building. With him today, we are going to have a lot of talks about his musical career. Big Nasty, you're so much welcome today.
Thank you.
Sazo Rome Virata Ngamitayu
Mm.
Arijula Rungane.
These days marva hasulinga
Eh,
side zigarani
Asalinga Korenga.
kuban gari.
Hey,
Va timber business zigara.
that is very great. As a musician, Viva business as you can
Yeah,
cover
hustle, yeah.
Mm. So I can say, would want to say, Ale, so soon, Jojo, basically about your music.
Yeah.
I can say, I may study from clubs and many part of your media sources where we can access your music. You truly gets to know you are a hip hop rapper. Oh,
Yeah, I do both. I was hip hop rapper, but these days I'm trying Afrobeat, dancehall.
Afrobeat dancer.
Yeah,
Yeah, okay.
just so I want Afrobeat is better. If
Mm.
you're saying dancehall, it will be okay for you sometimes because these days people like dancehall.
Mm.
Hip hop, no business for hip hop. That's
Okay.
why I try to change dance show.
So me musu avule basi kiva jola hip hop is good.
Mm.
But I think this thing depends on how best you
Emotion.
can put your music, how what in the studio you go, how best you release your music. You see?
Yeah.
Jira dani ko.
Yeah, ijo dari hip hop muke bati yumbegara west night gara hip hop sare sirba kodera.
Mm.
Promotion dera dani.
Mm.
Hip hop udorga muke bati the biggest artist jo madi hip hop ngope these days ki waruda ngondani.
Mm.
Yala bijo de calculate man music loga majo hip hop since 2019.
Mm.
Man loga ingo ifologa man de for artist 2019 mono ma demos kidengo ma siti sazi freestyle road so
Mm.
wingo ndani yala sazi ya muso zigala ikera dizig keben on joma le medero zigi joma le ma mu studio ga le medero danso just like
Mm.
my advice big artist hero gara
Mm.
dizigi
Mm.
ba just why mode side ya jo le ma mo de le medero try pose al just why mo da hard life de studio gara ma first song hard life
Mm.
ongwe de exactly challenge man fi shirki silva
Mm.
just am desi dance or kuri dan daro ko ziare do ser der si fem der ko me try dara
Mm.
these days end the promotion west na gara doro dance on game masi ya dance there's currently
Okay.
yeah
So apparently you're focusing on dancehall music.
yeah
You've left hip hop.
yeah
So hip hop has like kind in the market is a flop. So
mm.
you don't feel like you. But according to the system, you can which of any there I don't.
My dera yeah my
Alolo
dera
siga mi go mi
makide
also
alolo
sa.
rakala si ya modoki de alolo
Giving
makosi
an
sa
example with the rapability.
yeah like freestyle
Giving an example
yeah
like a rapability like the music he also the hip
eh
hop there says gonna be video so dance was
dance o going on
on that.
dani yeah
Yes.
Alede just Bridgani kozi and the challenge like
Uh,
adi hip hop to modusi yani mucho rusuku just why mo dance with them as rusu
okay.
master yeah
So now basically on the ringer, do you have fluent songs in a ringer T, like a ringer language?
you know
Oh,
sometimes
miongo miri samundu tisi ngoni.
makosa mindre makosa aivuti la fer ngati afira mduti la afira dani
Mm.
just why the dance of party gari
Mm.
eh
Okay.
mm,
So basically, what are the could be the challenges with like now you talked of hip hop, you have been hip hop rapper, but later on you switched to dancehall. What could be the challenges in the hip hop world and the dancehall? So compare right now because in the music right now as we speak, things are competitive. Eh?
yeah
But back to us as a bala music mamba,
mm.
me challenge and ringoni.
challenge challenge my handle just way lela my focus cause it do more of those hip hop my hip hop there's always mamusu like back speed them amba challenge kimingi
Mm.
yala audio min der mi tale bi ba hitira o ni hitjora la mi der do
Mm.
that's why mamjore mamu der realize for flare that's why mo jama dance oga
Mm.
because of that problem cause inira sad see the TikTok ga mostly TikTok ga Instagram kega ngwan back ya doyo back dance o kisi video den dalan challenge ki that's
Mm.
why mo decide do se moja ma dance o de mo de crazy
Mm.
o test de la mamusula crazy wajo ki de wala laro Mam donda fall in love with the need to be.
mm.
Te ba joke ai di dollar just by minere ma advisor ba
Me channel
kibe.
me to dance music now.
Yeah.
Okay. So basically, about Ikimazi, about your music, cause the kind of confusing thing. One time someone asked me about you, about like a Big Nas Six music, as in your career is concerned. One, you had a lot of collabo with this fellow artists within Yumbe, and honestly, they overthrown you in the music, cause one, me me feel as I me mu collaborate, but they overtake the music.
Mm.
What is your saying about that?
Oh.
Like okay, me mutamad collabo,
Mm.
eh? Ele ta
Mm.
collabo, but I overtake your music. I don't
Mm.
give you much space in the music. You sing little, and then I overtake your music.
Yeah.
Mm.
Cause like mindari music collab ga ba abi collab ijo kidera
Mm.
atabazi like ezim kiva mar collab ijo sira.
Mm.
That's why mandari sa fe dosa ijo kiga ware sana koma doman sa se
Mm.
because ini da yumbegara man music ro 2019 semamu challenges ki fese wa lenda chara
Ouais.
para fe domani ma biti give up
Mm.
right now me give up because these days I have my friend Brian,
Mm.
he's always supporting me, but he really support me. That's why Mado ini reje man like Joe or music tuju
Mm.
in mania if I'm amuni collab de rebes then audio zoding on dani
Mm.
in bato banezia bera and kimbasu begara don them ke bivusu river fora
Okay.
yala azire collab azi abiti program de parliament be
Mm.
kiva chief yaga program mafenda like kwa kidini just why I don't why and they don't this difference
Mm.
ya fini chorus but agreement man sila ifa gala ta chorus la fe bati din naringo nani
Mm.
divod kala nara mava roja mava chorus ezoja aserde maskula be mekilibe kozi vile riziki mapale kosi
Okay.
yala zinda va maziri wa diga hip hop ngonda ni but marvala ga ede ribede that's why te ribe juni letamo de ribe dance or kama hip hop de ndongo nani
Okay.
yeah.
Now, as an artist of Yumbe, Big Nasty, yeah, like a big artist in Yumbe, at the point of me and Aringa music to go to another extent, like to the world, what best can you do personally as yourself, as Big Nasty?
Man so the music but these days the me ko miyo me donyo me
Mm.
me donyo me mi focasto ijo mi la che badoro mi ongori ngo se mi spito do mi ngola baba
Mm.
nako
Mm.
yala mi doski de zakoro
Mm.
ijo like andamanu girsi ya biki dele minda de biki dele za to siga ngon
Mm.
makide alolo
Mm.
lechera makide one by one ngo baki ma zimde litis kosmajo litis tisar si miski promotion korkozi amango de promotion sometimes though ir do like shows ke gangon nani homotistiki
Mm.
ba mo maruku
Mm.
yala mado ningo ne ro music mado do ringagara do tour mado ningo that's why amo fula amasi le nila change ya muso change ya tidao amo
Mm.
fula muso change daw just a promoters kifya nikando makwa ingo ne ndo va ku that's why in the promotion ngi do maniko mostly le
Okay.
mado ga promotion ningo kide mado ndala support there one ni
Okay. Okay,
support
music, Ega, like in your music, how long have you been in the industry now? For how long have you been in the industry? Mi ado kaniko imbaya ilisia.
yeah
Mi ado ilimino cho ara kita tusi.
music modo 2019
Mm.
Mansdorf Fujo like a freestyler ro Sokega Singon 2019
Mm.
yala 2020 Doman Muzo studio ga le do ongo fora am those hard life ufule
Mm.
mm.
Reason why that as usually the can say I see it is 2019 say I see most of your boys in the caliber like let's talk about Dino Boy. Dino Boy has gone great with the collabo with people outside. I don't know whether you have a collabo, but as available like people in Arua, the Moyo, that he has gone with it. And what is your feeling like as Big Nasty? Me feeling metallic collabo. There you're just waiting for your time.
Just wait for my time
Mm.
yeah
So it changes me, sa koloba duki lisa.
kit yeah kilisa
Mm.
cause
Mm.
andra ro galeman muzor se
Mm.
kizki man jo club badgara
Mm.
yala ma ureziva da DJ FM mangon juba moja collabo dile vai fili vela meda collabo tistiro ga da reke bera yala kate link ro iman ki dera agi challenge pirki bod ga juni sala de chara mini lura bati sala ma di chadori kulani.
Okay. So most times now, do you have that feeling of only having collabo with the raw artists, or you also want to go nationwide?
I want to go nationwide
Mm.
or start in Erua. Yeah,
You just want to start from Arua, then
from
you go
Arua, yeah.
national.
Just want to start from Arua. West Nile, within West Nile.
Okay.
Yeah,
So actually,
that's for beginning. You know.
it's also important because many times people look at this collabo as you've moved in the move in the markets of the industry. You have collabo out across with Madis, the Lugbara, the Sudanese, the Ugandas. You have those collabo with them, which is also okay. As today we have host you, what is your words to the viewers? Because now, Ijota Mbogore viewers, what do you have for them?
Yeah, Joman Jurari, like viewers, Bani,
Hmm.
Adaba Bani, do Pirlaro, right now, music, Mamuti Wale, Aringa music, Gara,
Hmm.
yala, my intention, do current any music, but I was confused. Natural.
Hmm.
But right now, focus much of the Rolema of the audio key.
Hmm.
My intention though artist still serious because I was confused, you know,
Hmm.
because of our region.
Hmm.
Sometimes they think about region, sometimes they think industry because you know, ela ma focus man do like currently do focus music industry together because of hustling. These days life is hard, you know.
Yes.
Without work cannot get anything. That's why focus to Mardoro. I want hustle and I want get money. I start singing, you know. Also I'm going to make collabo. I'm going to start in Erua very soon. Anytime, any day.
Okay. To my dear viewers, thank you today. We in the studio with you today. It has been a good time with the Big Nasty, who has been he has hip hop songs. He has been in the industry for over 5 6 years. Right now with us, we try to talk about his musical career, and we feel in the nearest future he can do something for Yumbe today. Thank you for watching. Within the house at the same time, we have DJ Mawe behind the system today. Thank you for watching us. See you next time, and you're welcome every time. Mal TV is the best channel for you to watch. Thank you.